Good day all. I'm Ijeh the CEO of Ijeh Trading Empire. I'm not saying people lose money in Forex. Some even think you need to be very special to be succeeding in the Forex market. But I'm here to tell you all you need is the right knowledge and softwares to be successful. That's why I created this YouTube channel, to give people all the knowledge you need to survive in this Forex market. I also develop software which I use daily to increase my profitability. Now, in addition to this, I have a Telegram community where you can have access to me for one-on-one mentorship. In the community, I do drop signals, daily signals. If a setup is good, I drop the signal there. We all make profit. And also I do live sections where I teach people how to generate your own signals, because like I said in the beginning, you need the right knowledge and softwares to survive. You don't need to be dependent on anybody. So hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because the next series of video is going to guide a beginner that has no knowledge about Forex to a pro trader.